What's poppin', what crackin'? It's your boy here, GG, and welcome to my channel for those yang baru saja mendarat atau baru saja klik. Tonight we'll be going for a short night ride. Dekat-dekat je, just to test out the camera. First things first, TCS off. Malam ni short ride je. I'm just going nearby to Iskandar Puteri, meeting up with a few of my friends. Aku nak try the camera setup and also the audio. Nak tengok if everything works fine, amazing, fantastic and lovely. Aku tak ride malam minggu sangat, tapi because of, for the sake of testing out the camera, eager to see what's the outcome. Hopefully semuanya cun-cun belaka. The previous camera yang aku pakai untuk POV is mostly the Insta360 X4, which I couldn't really get much on the low light. Now using the Star S Pro 2, so hopefully the lighting is ke depan boom, meletup sedap untuk dilihat. This part is very dark. Aku tak tahu, aku harap the camera picks up a very good lighting. In which I trust the S Pro 2 is going to produce a very amazing job on the lighting. Another one, another traffic light. Satu demi satu traffic light. should take the left here. patutnya tukar the visor to a clear visor, because currently I'm using like a blue iridium revo visor, in which it gives me a bit of a visibility, but not as much as what my eye wants. So couldn't really say much, but I do look cool under the visor. Okay, ni macam mana ni? Kereta ni duduk tengah. Aku tak faham. I don't understand how the car stays in the middle of the lane. Of the wind noise is not that bad, because aku set up the mic very raw. Aku tak ada set up like dia punya, aku tak ada set up dia punya mic gain lebih ke apa, bass ke, and so on. Aku just set up dia macam mana it comes out of the box. Aku terus cocok, and yeah, just try it out. Lajunya berada mana ni? Laju bang, laju. My friend's house is over here. I'm gonna take this, and let's see if dia dah standby kat luar. Meeting out with two of my friends, which is Ashraf and also Apek on the other one. Hey yo, what's up guys? Ya, mana?